Are you struggling with these challenges? Planning an exhibition but struggling to balance traffic, customer engagement, and budget? Want to create innovative digital exhibits but don't know where to start? When designing virtual entertainment for kids, how do you ensure it's both educational and engaging, especially for children in rehabilitation? Want to build a virtual game training system but feel stuck by interactive technology challenges? Maybe you have other industry challenges that need an urgent fix. No worries, we've got the solution in just 30 seconds. First, launch Chrome and visit the Cleater website. Mobile browsing has limitations in display and navigation, so we recommend using a desktop for the best experience. Inside our website, you have 3 powerful ways to find what you need. Interactive application. Explore products with one click. Sidebar navigation. Filter by category for quick access. Keyword search. Instantly reveal all relevant products, even hidden ones. On the product page, you'll find detailed videos and descriptions to help you understand every aspect. Many products even include FAQs and step-by-step setup tutorials, so you can operate them smoothly, even from a remote location. For pricing details, check out the Note for Quotation section at the bottom of the page. It clearly lists key factors that influence the price, so you always know what to expect. If you're curious about shipping, installation, or technical support, the About Us section has all the details you need. With over a decade in interactive multimedia, Cleater guarantees seamless solutions. From products to service, we make sure every step is hassle-free. Unbeatable prices, efficient communication, and expert support, all in one place. Don't wait. Visit our website now and get the solutions you need.